Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today we are reporting from Sonesta Suites, Cincinnati, Blue Ash. So we just checked in after a very long drive. We haven't settled, so this video is supposed to show you guys exactly like the condition of the room, exactly the way it is when you check in. So this is a king size bed. I guess it's a king suite. So you have a full kitchen here with this peninsula, half island, which is beautiful. Yeah, this is a full kitchen, which is fantastic. Small sink, but it comes with a dishwasher, stove, built-in microwave. I'm assuming, yep, there's a toaster. So what else do we have here? Some cutlery, some plates, fridge, very important, freezer. Everything's nice and clean. So it's kind of like an Airbnb experience. We actually checked in across the street, in the building across the street. That's where the check-in is and the breakfast. But yeah, this is a very spacious room. I'm not sure if you guys get that same vibe here, but it's a very spacious room, very comfortable, smells good, very clean. I'm gonna breaker panel here. Oh, interesting. And then here you have the bathroom. Yeah, it's definitely older. You can see popcorn ceiling and all that, but I have to say, I have to give them credit. It's in very good condition. They really take care of this place. Okay, here's the bathtub. Yeah, everything's in really good condition, very clean. So props to the owners and whoever's running the show here. Everything's very clean and nice. Yeah, Sonesta Suites, Cincinnati, Blue Ash. So we are just outside of Cincinnati here. Yeah, definitely looking forward to our stay. Everything looks great. And then this is a pull-out couch right here. So this room sleeps at least 4 people comfortably. All right. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave us a comment below if you've stayed here before, if you have any feedback on Sonesta. I think this is the second time I'm staying at a Sonesta property. I don't have too much experience with them. Leave a comment below, like the video, subscribe for more travel-related content. Peace.